topic is magnetic field intensity on circular coil. Today we are going to derive the magnetic field intensity of circular coil. In this, considered a circular coil, the current flowing through the coil is I. So consider the current element IDL in the circular coil. The point P is located from R distance from the circular coil. The radius of circular coil is A. So from this, the magnetic flux density at a point due to current element dB is written as dB is equal to mu IDL sin theta divided by 4 pi r square. Next step, we are writing dB's equation. We have to assume sin theta is equal to A by root of A square plus D square from the diagram. Same as assume R is equal to A square plus D square. Next step, substitute sin theta value and R value in dB equation. If you are substituting, the equation will be dB is equal to mu IDL A by root of A square plus D square divided by 4 pi. The value of R is A square plus D square. In this equation we are having square term. So A square plus D square the whole square. After substitution, in numerator we have A by root of A square plus D square. We have to shift the root of A square plus D square term to denominator. While shifting, the root of A square plus D square value is A square plus D square the whole power 1 by 2. So the root value it will be written in terms of power, means the power should be 1 by 2. From this, dB is equal to mu I dL divided by 4 pi A square plus D square the whole square into A square plus D square for 1 by 2. If you are combining both A square plus D square, means finally we will get dB is equal to mu I dL A divided by 4 pi A square plus D square whole power 5 by 2. Next step, we have to integrate the above equation with respect to L. Assume the limit as 0 to 2 pi A. So integration of dB is equal to the integral, the limit is 0 to 2 pi A mu I dL E divided by 4 pi A square plus D square the whole power 5 by 2. So we have to integrate with respect to dl. Except dl, take the remaining terms outside of the integral. If you are taking the term outside the integral, finally the term inside the integral is dl. The limit is 0 to 2 pi a. So integration of dl is L. The limit is 0 to 2 pi a. So after the integration, we have to substitute the limit. If you are substituting the limit, integration of dB is B. B is equal to mu IA by 4 pi A square plus D square whole power 5 by 2. So after substitution of that limit, the answer will be 2 pi A minus 0. In next step, 2 pi and 4 pi will get cancelled. A and A, it will become A square. So finally the equation for B is A square mu I divided by 2 A square plus D square whole power 5 by 2. Next we have to find magnetic field intensity H. We know that magnetic flux density equation B is equal to mu H. From this, H is equal to B by mu. Substitute the B value in H equation. After doing that simplification, finally we'll get H is A squared I by 2 A square plus D square whole power 5 by 2. Thank you.